banja banegomba okulaba Phiina Masanyalaze, so bani no maintaining other thing. And then you know kwerabira generally, not me only. Now you know kwerabira toleka mubiri kuwaguka ko. Don't have excess baggage on your body.
Ushafana no Phiina owedda.
Chichuka.
Tochuka physically. Ufana no Phiina yomu.
Ate yenze paka. Chichuka size techuka. I don't bleach. Want to get your banje I don't bleach. I'm naturally beautiful. I appreciate what God gave me. I don't add on myself. It's really good at adding things on my body. But it's very good. Baba to me, the Magambe Jacob Baba TV. Never gama batulabide.
Happy New Year.
Thank you, and likewise. Mwebale, you have a nice studio.
Oh.
And thanks for the opportunity. Mwebale ko Peter. Not everybody inti aliwano. So Mbebaza, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity of being in the studios.
Okay, so kubuza kubatulaba officially. Badde togera mu luli bwoge.
Okay. Abatulaba banange muli mtya, I'm your real girl, nchali girl. This is the real Phiina Masanyalaze, you know. Yes, I look like a girl and I will be every girl because I'm ever young. Mwebale nnyo okuwagira Phiina Masanyalaze nembula nemusigalanga mwagala that Phiina. I'm just telling you, I'm back. 2020 is gonna be hotter than fire. By the way, mbuze lwakuba mbadde ndi ku baana bange abaana mbawa obudde tozaalira ba maids.
Okay.
Yes.
So tena maid waka obaja yini
abeerawo nanyaba but chinkakatako. They are my kids. Omwana wange is one year and 4 months. Oba olina omuwa obudde olina concentrating tokwatagana one by one.
So,
that is it. Yes, Mugarachi nja kubeerayo nnyo. So 2020 Phiina is back. Mbawadde obudde sirabye yazze ng'alinga Phiina Masanyalaze is there.
Entertainment industry gyobadde
ng'alinganze mumbulire
mukuzina mukuyimba.
As me nga boolaba ebyange byenkola, dancing, the way I do it. I'm the one and only most one. That's inamutegeera. She needs to do more, but I encourage her. Neda, it's not all about me okumulaba, but nganze mbale sinamutegeera, but I'm going to research about her. It's good omuntu najja njagala nnyo omuntu ajje nga ali nganze, because emyaka gigenda tetugenda kuba sigenda kuba every day when I'm spreading myself and I'm like somersaulting. No, I want to get a Phiina. It's not all about kukiriza. Kati ekyo kyenkugamba nti there is no creativity. Come up with something abantu bagambe nti wow, this is the one. Bakuteke mu italics. That is the Ugandan Shakira. She can shake, she can twist the way she does her thing. Do something. People are just copy and paste. I don't normally talk about myself when it comes to okuzina. I was born a dancer. Yeah, I was born a dancer. And I think I'm more than Chenari. You will just watch the space and see. Yeah, I'm the real Phiina and I'm hotter than the other time.
Okay.
Even musicians apatayagala ku settling. You should settle down. Zala yo ku mwana. Osegero be responsible, not every day ogowoza showbiz. Me showbiz taso akuntwala. You should look at yourself as a woman. You want to be in showbiz 100%. Okula okadewa. A woman should give birth. Ostegede. Chitegeza eyo stage naye ebeerawo. Kati woba ozadde omwana tomusuula eri olw'okuba stage. If you're doing something which is good, those people will wait for you.
One specifically music industry tulinamu abali mu that category.
No, I'm not specific.
Naye ng'ekidongo kya taking over obuvunaanyizibwa.
I'm not specific. I don't come here to be I'm not analyzing about anything. I'm just talking. See, no, musicians. N'abalala oyinza okwesanga nti omuntu abeerayo n'agamba I have my figure when I give birth to a kid bigenda kugirawo ebiti. No. tosobola kufightinga butonde kyatutonderwa abakyala tulina okuzaala tulina okubeera responsible. You get a man, you look after him. Ebirala byonna weebale nnyo kati kyebayita okukula. Kati kyebayita okukula buli lwokulaba oti bwova wansi kula n'abantu abakugirako emabega bakufunemu. I'm trying to give back to the community. I have the experience. What have I seen? Very many people want to listen to such advice naye tebafuna. So me as Phiina, I give it back to my fans. Nembalaga experience. It's not all about experience. Naye bwoba okula, you respect your years. Ostegedde wawo otuuse. Respect yourself. Tunuulira kati nnyimba kati nkola ntya. You'll never find me nkunamidde ku stage because I have a name to protect. I have kids. Newala nnyo okutwaza abaana bange ne bazadde bange and all the important people behind me in my life. So kyenkola kiba kirungi n'okula nensi ne benefiting from you. Katulabe ebintu bye walinga okola ng'okyali oba wa primary okyabikola just because you sit down n'olowooza who is Nisha ali bwati ne bwati ne bwati. Kat for example Nisha is a TV icon. Yes. Teacher sina kola. First of all, I have to protect my name. I have to protect the Baba TV. I have to protect my program. What do I do to kola? So the more you change, the more now it will get no chuka. What you do? I'm a counselor. I counsel very many people. Like in relationships.
Okay.
Umuntu n'omubuulira according to the problem gyakubuulidde.
Pretty gulo mwakomawo.
About
issue eya drugs.
Eya drugs.
Nomukwatanga bagamba bye yagamba tabye. Yakomawo.
She's addicted, but she's under control. She's under control. She's under some lady. She's Madam Mamita. Alia, Madam, she's a good counselor.
Okay.
Ali under her.
Tandikira Phiina Masanyalaze oba Phiina Mugera nene doyo gutumanyi Josephine Mugera yani.
That is my grandfather's name.
Mugera? Kati tunyonyole gwani tukulabye ozina
Mundabye nzina. My real names my real name is Josephine Nakalungi.
Josephine Nakalungi.
Yeah, Nedirange. I just gave that name to myself as a gift to my jaja.
Did you wewa?
Mugera. I told him I'm naming I'm taking your name.
Okay.
Nkujjukirirenga he died. He was a good friend of mine. Yeah.
Wasomako oba just omukisa gwa kutumira butumizi opportunity no focus.
Omukisa gwachi
ogwokufuuka star mu Uganda tereta kumanyi.
Nasomako era nsobira okweyongerayo. I want to pursue a Bachelor of Science in Marketing anytime.
Yeah, all you reserved. Manya bitukawe. Mine geje mukola ka package yako. Nga temagala kwogera kingi.
No, oba oyagala nkugambe ndagenda kusomera osimanya nengenda gindi nengenda abantu basomye. You don't need to talk about yourself so much.
Antoizo kwogera jota asomera agamba yalimbye.
No.
Nze je ndasomera atasomera ngayoko oba je nsomesa atasomera ngayoko. That stuff.
No. By the way, if you say I'm reserved, I talk when necessary. Yeah, I talk when necessary. Ate njagala nnyo okwogera ebirina okwogerebwa.
Ekyo music industry or entertainment industry kuba before music wasooka eri ewalala ewakatolo bwamba.
Akatoluma nagendayo nga ndi mu
ng'akamala senior six.
Nakamala senior six. Nali njagala nnyo okuzina kati ngenzeeyo nga muzinyi. Ngenzeeyo nga dansa. Era ate era we namola senior for vacation.
Bagamba simwangu wayingira otwa akatolo bwamba.
Simwangu atya.
Like mukambwe they say mulogo.
Ekyo sikimanyiiko, but one thing, and I'm thankful to him, engeri gy'okwatamu omuntu.
Okay.
nga tukwata n'amaanyi mwe bw'okwata omwana ng'olegeza olagaya tavaamu kikulu. Look at the people abayitiddeko mu mikono gy'abantu abo. They're having a certain class of oba ngambeki beyisa batya their conduct mu music industry. These days musicians are getting problems just because tebafuna ba mentors, tebafuna bantu baba panel beating. Someone ajja nafunayo sente nagenda mu studio nafuna hit kati najja unafuukira ensi ekizibu kwegamba nga tafunye kubuulirirwa. I thank Honorable Katolo Wama. He mentored me so much and he's still mentoring me. Kugaye omuntu bwakugamba nti ne bwaba akuvumye n'okola ekintu londa, don't get annoyed. Londa mu mu byakugambye teweefula wa kitalo nnyo okitegeera. Buli lw'okulanga owulira muli toli wa kitalo, you become a very important person. Ne buli lw'okulanga olaba oli you want to be every day oyagala bakuteeke mu italics, I'm the one, you get problems. Okitegeera. So if you look at such people abayise mu mikono nga bababuuliridde, tunako n'abantu abayise mu oba label companies nga ziba mentoring, omulaba nga ayina byatasobola kukola ebimuwuliza ensonyi. Naye nolaba omuntu ng'avudde eri n'ayimba, I want to commit the result. Certain artists these days anyiza kwegamba y'ensonga lwaki olumu abayimbi batutwala oba nga ki, people comment about us just because of the conduct eyo abantu abazze buzimu music nga tebababuuliridde nti wano wolaga you can become a star, but when you become a star you can pass here and pass there. When you become a star you're going to find people who are bigger than you and those people who admire you. Kwegamba nebakuwala eso, it is a package, it's like a course. Yeah, nze nebaza Katolo Wama, he gave me that package. Yensonga lwaki
competition.
No.
Azinga oyingira.
It wasn't a competition. Balanga bulanza bagala okujja okuyimba n'okuzina. Yeah. So
n'osingira.
Ebbanga linagenda linabeerayo. Nafunamu bingi. Yes, I did get money out of it, but I got knowledge. I got the foundation, eya talent yange. Era kati yensonga lwaki olaba Phiina ali one of the important artists. Abali well behaved, abali established. Those artists who are not myopic, I think big. It's just because of the people I found on my way. Yeah.
Ovayo kyekikujjayo.
Koze ekinzijayo gali mazina. Kale natuuka essaawa n'enkoowa nga
ng'okooya eki?
nkooya okuzina.
Ng'owulira okooya ekintu kiwazaalibwa ng'okola.
No, as in you can be a dancer, but yes, obulamu tebwali bwangu. Engeri gye boogeramu nammwe, you like, I remember one word, you dancers are like onions. Enva newe zitabaamu katungulu, you can put salt and eat. No, I can't.
Honorable?
No. It's not. It wasn't him. Actually, it was another person. No, abantu abali mu team eyo. We had the likes of Katolo Wama, Dr. T, Katie, Katie Promotions. Naye natuka essaawa ne ngamba, let me disprove these people that a dancer can be someone.
Okay.
Let me disprove them. I think I'm one of the first people abali abazinyi ne coming up ne babeera successful. Era nayimba oluyimba lwange olusooka Masanyalaze.
Walufulumya omaze kuva mu Diamond Symbols?
Nasooka ne ndufulumya nga mbirimu and they laughed. I remember one person laughed. Era bwe musanga kati
Honorable?
No.
Katie?
No.
Ani yaseka?
He was just, ndoza yali mukubi wa ngoma.
Ozala ki yaseka?
He laughed. Waliwo omuntu gwolaba nti muzinyi
nga yesa kukyataasobola.
Kwegamba olowooza ebyokunyomereza ebintu by'okunyomereza Nisha can't do this, can't do that. Omuntu waba asazeewo ekintu abajja kikola. Ate nze bwe nsazeewo ekintu, I'm ever determined banja kikola. So never naga, better the way you sang, as if you were just talking.
Ani yaluwandiika? Acha kuandikira Masanyalaze.
Oluyimba lwali composed by Mr. Success yafa. Have you ever heard of that boy? He died. Kakati ningamba, oh, netandika, I didn't have money. Ningamba, kati I don't have a beautiful face, it's over. Nasobola okugula engoye ez'ebbeeyi. No, I can't. What can I do? Ninga, let me stick to this mazina. Let me combine. I do a cocktail, mazina kuyimba, and I was the first musician yali asobola combining both, and I'm still. Bamze, I don't need backup dancers. Abazinga benfuna backing up bagamano. Speed, yeah. But the problem is if na name videos zange ngenda okutukanga era bye banzinde sibitege.
Ngasibyo yagala.
Yeah. Kati nyentandika mpola. I went to Chiembe. If you can see my first video of Masanyalaze, I've sang about Masanyalaze. I took it to Radio Simba tour. Ndaus told me, you sang about this Masanyalaze, the shock absorber, Sima Shokovici. Why don't you reach out to Tebagala and Sons? Because he's selling electric accessories. Konzekali. You give high number now you quarant. You don't tell him that I'm the one who has sent you to okay. So I went there. The way I was looking, I was a dancer, I was earning 5,000.
5,000?
5,000.
Monthly?
Not monthly.
Weekly? Daily?
What daily? They could even give us 20, 15, like that. Kati ya ondozo bola bomuntu wa embiri zasibo biranga mebiri biranga besatao. Kati nengende wasibagala nentula. Never ita bona abantu nga bampitako bisi. I went very early. Nga bampitako bisi babati. Nga bayita abalala netugawo. Ojina nga baga. Haja gambe ojja kudde ncha.
Fena opportunity yogera naye.
Nezirayo. Not until he said, Banage, you girl come. Oh boy, oh Yagarachi. Then I went into his office. So now, I told him I have a song called Masanyalaze, and you sell these things of Masanyalaze. I've sung about them. But then there is some artist go ayamba no take sent nenga time ngako wadene chotunda. So he was like, this girl is sharp. So he told me, okay. He gave me the first 800,000 shillings in my life. I even shot the video from the very shop. We became friends. Thereafter, Masanyalaze, nali sinera bya kwambala nengena mchikubu nentungiso ovulo bwe mulaba mu video. Nago muntu ali creative. I had my first show, my first performance. I took my song to CBS. Bazokondokuba ku CBS abe mchibi. Actually, he's one of my heroes just for that reason. He was one of the first people abakuba nyimba zange nemulangira ndawo. So after that, ninjira nga ninyampola ekigunda bwe kyatuuka. They connected me to Isaac Mulindwa. It was my first time to go on stage. I was shaking. Bampa time nga yakugenda kusejisawa mukago gwemisana. I was there by 10. They are like, yeah, you can do it. So that's why I always thank Palm Awards. They did a very, very great job in my career. So after that, Haji told me, you see, Phiina, I helped you. Now it's your time to do what? To help me. My brother is standing in for a mayor, whatever, seat for Kampala. Sebagala. That's how I get connected to Sebagala Haji campaign. See, we became friends. Nentandika okukola yo ku center. The Vampers today he shooting that video. It was Haji's house. I'm good at making friends. Kati aonemanyati. Those are my friends. Netandikira Palm Awards newe yatandikira nayo nenyingi netandika nengamba kati ngenda kuzina oluzina nga buli wenzi nawe nyingira ku stage abantu basigala kyekimba that small guy could be some 180 muyimbi kigogamba okuba 180 woto nga yambadde engoye ze
Rojo akuba akuchoga mno cheshatoka yali stand accident.
Yali accident, but it can't be a stand. Ngabo maishoka. Mwazichukiza choga. Nana choga mdokuwa nechinga tuneya. Kati yes, nakuwa netinga tuneya wika. Zena ngabo mind when I'm on stage, I mind about my clients. Nakuwa tangate yubuse simaya zipo, nenjiteka wali, neyo kubilijana nyamba, nenjiteka wali, nenkolera mbigiri. What was wrong with that?
You need to have a stand.
What mwefula chemutali? What? Tokunukiriza. If something has happened, do something ekiri out. Give first aid to yourself. It's not bad. Omuntu engate yulise zip. You call it. I'm back stage. They had paid me to perform for those people and they really enjoyed it. Bambi balozo obakati nachikoze bukoze ntikati session ezeko ya kujamu nga.
Eh, sheshe tu haloza.
I'm surprised that you still remember that. Really? Which wasn't bad as long as the china chakosa. So that's how I came up. Netandika paka. Nidankugambe. Oro. Nafulumiza yoluyimba in December. Ngina duta mid-Jan. Enyumba mbili. Olumu baduta I love Uganda. I have that feeling to people better me do and see yawe. The way I see them. They don't like their country. No, don't talk about politics. Hey. People generally. Okay. Abantu tebagala bannabenze. But bantu ever since I came to limelight, Ugandans we don't love ourselves. Abantu they don't believe in others. But barano kusula omuntu. We don't protect our own. Kati for example, muyinza oba okitandinga political, I don't know. But you might, in anyone's opinion, it's fine. Twaddira recently, Maureen Nantume, Mariachi, Baba Komyao one. It became a laughing stock. People laughed. Never wanika amagulu. Bannange babaziza. Naye nga bannayuganda.
Stuff charge.
Naye abantu baddira era baabaza lwakuba documents. Buli nsi eyina ebigigavaninga. Naye maama bazaayo wano chakachaka. Maama. Nga bantu tebajjukira nti naffe tulina n'abaakomawokko. Ffe bwe tutambula ne tugenda eyo. Bannange bakutuusa ku airport. Wali wennyini we bakuddiza nga toyina wadde ebikwogerako. Naye nze nali nsuubira bannayuganda okubeera wamu tubeerenga ensonga lwaki Nigerians oba bakulaakulanye. They protect themselves. Kwegamba munne bw'alaba nga zipu nsumulule ayina engeri gyamunyiganyigamu ezipu bagize naye wano bakikuba ku social media gundi zipu esumuluku okitegeera. We are using social media in a bad way. Tetweyagala tutwadde politics in each and everything kugatujyawo ekihindering our development. Omwana bw'avaayo bw'ati balwana omuzza wansi naye nga Munnayuganda. So I have that feeling that people tulinamu that thing. We should love ourselves. We should love our own Uganda. That's why I said I love Uganda. I'm a proud Uganda. You should love your country. Uganda is a beautiful country.
Katono nnyo tugenda okuba nga tusanyikira Baba TV Call program bagita Divas. Tugenda ko muko mulamu tovaawo Phiina Masanyalaze nkyali naye akyatunyonnyola bingi byetaaga mu mayako tovaawo komawo naye.